Welcome to Format. In this video, we will give a quick overview of key tools employed on successful portfolios by architects and interior designers, giving you insider tips on tools and features to streamline your portfolio. The theme of your website impacts the layout of your site menu, navigation, gallery pages, and collection pages. Format has nearly 100 themes for you to choose from. Every theme has design variables to allow you to adjust items like spacing, columns, site menu layout, and more. Collection pages is a popular feature for architectural and interiors websites. Choosing a bold collection page layout is a great way to display a visual list of featured projects. When previewing themes or editing your design, toggle between editor view, full screen view, and mobile view to see how your website will display on different screens. All Format themes are fully mobile responsive to optimize for device screens of different sizes. Custom pages are just what they sound like. Pages where you can create your own layouts regardless of the theme you select. For architects and interior designers, custom pages are a great way to create case studies of your projects. On custom pages, you can add a range of media from slideshows, video, text, and even HTML embeds. You can even insert a gallery of images using the Image Set tool and control the layout to either match your theme or to make a layout different from your theme settings. See the custom page templates for examples about pages, contact pages, resumes, title pages, and more. Under the Workflow tab, you'll find Format's Studio Management tools. You can send file transfers using images and PDFs of up to 10 gigabytes. Workflow also allows you to track contacts, send private client galleries, and even produce and send contracts. Manage your business and portfolio sharing all from one place. Many architects and interior designers feature press clippings on their sites. There are a number of ways to display your press through gallery or custom pages, but another option is to use the Format Blog tool. The bonus of using the blog is that it will allow you to add unique SEO information for every press and news item you post, whereas discrete pages will only allow you to add SEO information to the page itself. When you are ready to launch your site, connect your custom domain name. You can purchase a custom domain name from Format, transfer your domain to your Format account, or connect from your outside registrar to your Format account. If you have trouble connecting your domain, our customer experience team offers support with connections. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you need any help with your Format site, visit format.com/help for our library of tutorials, or click on the chat icon and our 24/7 customer experience team would be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Format.